Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to this fine Tuesday afternoon. My name is Jenna Ambridge. I'm coming to you Facebook Live at Sky Lake here on the West Shore. And this December 15th, the third week of Advent. And I'm going to take you on a hike where I haven't been in a little while. We're going to go hiking, walking through witch hazel. I just entered into the path, and we're going to see what the woods here look like with a fresh dusting of snow. It's nice to have you with me. Behind me is the white farmhouse. It's on the West Shore. If some of you approach from the west direction and come this way, you pass that first as part of our property. So this is the area where you see the tall pines, and I'm going to rotate it again. And so this is the side of the trail in witch hazel that has some of the hardwoods. And on the right side of the trail is all the pines that were planted in a row. So we're going to take a walk down through here. The leaves that were on the ground during the fall season are now a little frozen. A little bit more crunchy as I walk on them today. I always love going through this part of the woods. Sometimes it's quiet enough and calm enough that we scare the deer up out of their spots where they're laying down. So watch for that motion as we walk through witch hazel. I always envision like you're walking out of the closet into Narnia, and you see how some of the trees have that arching motion to create a archway for you to walk under. When we get our heavier snows, the smaller saplings will bow under the weight of the fresh snow. Which, if you live here in the Northeast, we have a forecast starting tomorrow to get many inches of snow. So maybe on the next walk, we'll see some of that. But I want you to enjoy this walk. On this sapling here, it's fallen during the fungus that naturally develops. And the trees go back in its natural cycle of life to the earth. Think about Matthew's campfire on Sunday and his sharing of the Advent candle. He's talking about joy and the anticipation that we have for this season. That we can be like Mary and express our joy. This is a exciting time for often for me to the coming of Christmas and time with family. It's such a unique time of year here in 2020. I encourage you to continue to find those moments of joy that you can have with those in your household. How can you share the spirit of Christmas? Just continue with some of those traditions that we do. They mean so much, and hopeful that maybe your family that isn't with you might share those same traditions in their own way. Such a beautiful day, even though it's a little chilly. Remember to pause and take a look up. The blue sky is there. Find a moment to share that joy, the hope, and let the light shine through in your spirit. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you continue to have a blessed day. Join us in our opportunities of fellowship and ministry. Don't forget that Kevin's working hard on some of his baked goods for a bake sale this week. Check out our Facebook page and website for how you can put an order in before Thursday to pick it up on Saturday. Thank you for joining me today, friends. May God bless your day, bring you joy and peace. Till we see you again. God bless.